Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get tax refund in Canada, full guide. File your T1 return accurately and include all income slips before deadlines. Check eligible credits like GST/HST credit, Canada Child Benefit, and tuition tax credits. Organize receipts by category to speed up claims. Choose direct deposit to get funds faster and confirm your banking information in CRA My Account for reliability. Identify common deductions like RRSP, moving expenses, and child care costs to lower taxable income and increase your refund. Consider tuition and medical expenses to claim transferable credits when appropriate. For self-employed earners, deduct business expenses and maintain invoices. Review pension, income splitting options and contributions to registered plans. Double-check totals and use CRA tools or certified tax software to avoid missed opportunities and calculation errors. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly, perfect for saving time during tax season lunches. They keep salads fresh and sauces contained so you stay focused on filing, not spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. File online using NetFile certified software or mail a paper return if needed, ensuring all fields are complete and accurate. Respond promptly to any CRA requests for information to prevent delays. If you owe tax, pay on time to avoid interest, but still file to secure credits. For faster refunds, opt for direct deposit and register for CRA My Account to track your refund status and notices securely and conveniently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.